Here we have a 2017 BMW 420d XDRIVE M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now this vehicle comes with 18-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition down there. We also have the Glacier silver metallic paintwork. Along with the LED headlights, we have the two black kidney grills. We also have the M Performance kit, which includes the front splitter, the side skirts and the rear diffuser. Round to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel, again excellent condition. We have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae just there. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Round to the rear you'll find the diffuser. We also have the twin pipe exhaust down there, power assisted tailgate which will open with a simple press of a button. And inside of here you'll find plenty of space for whatever you may need. As you can see, a very large boot indeed. Pressing this button just up here you'll find it closes, as simple as that. And this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So let's take a look now at the interior. Coming around to the back you'll find the full leather interior. You'll find the foldable armrest in the centre, the fixed ISO points just down there. We have the vents for the rear passengers as well. Onto the doors you'll find the brushed metal handles. We have the electric windows as well. Now let's take a look at the front. So inside of here you'll find again the full leather interior. Both of these front seats are heated. Onto the doors again we have the brushed metal handles, the electric windows, we'll try that for the rear. We have the electric mirrors as well. Over here you'll find the auto lights. We also have the auto wipers just there. Multifunctional steering wheel which has speed limiter and cruise control. Paddle shifters on both sides. If we take a seat inside, then there's a look at the dashboard. So let's put our foot on the brake and press the start button just there. And the vehicle will start up for us. And you'll notice that we'll be free from any warning lights on the dashboard. So moving over into the centre console, you find the main infotainment screen, which has the likes of sat-nav just there. If the screen is flickering, that is just the camera, it's not like that in reality. We also have a range of media such as the DAB radio, we also have the FM, AM. We have the music collection, the auxiliary, the CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio and the USB. We also have the phone connectivity just there. If we go into the main menu you see all these different options to go through. So let's go into My Vehicle for example, go into the lights. This is where you find the interior ambient lighting. If we go back onto the technology in action, this is where you find the sport displays, which is a pretty cool feature to have. Going back onto the menu, we also have the different drive modes. So we have the Eco Pro just there. We also have the Comfort drive mode, we have the Sport drive mode and the Sport Plus. If we put the car into reverse, then this is where you'll find the parking sensors just there. Let's put it back into park low. So further down you'll find the climate control. We have the ice cold air conditioning just there. The heated seats on both sides which work just as they should do. Let's just turn them off though for now. Further down you'll find some storage space inside of here, two good sized cup holders, 12 volt connectivity as well, that can be closed off like so. We have the gear stick just there, the drive mode buttons, the traction control button, we have the parking sensors button. All the shortcuts for the infotainment screen are just here. We also have the handbrake as well, nice leather armrest which can be opened up for extra storage, and inside of there you find a USB port and a auxiliary. But that's all that I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.